Hello my beautiful friends. Today we have a very relaxed, very chill video coming at you here. We are doing two separate tutorials on two new collections from Devinah Cosmetics. The first tutorial will be featuring the new Devinah Galaxy Dust Shifters, which are beautiful, deep, space-toned multichromatic shades, and the second tutorial will be showing off their new Willy Wonka Xploders, which consist of beautiful pastel candy-colored shades, which I personally adore. So if you are interested in seeing these tutorials on the brand new collections from Devinah, then go ahead and keep on watching and let's jump right on in. Alright guys, but that is everything that I have for you. I really hope that you enjoyed the tutorials. I hope that you enjoyed seeing the new Devinah Multichromes in action. They are 100% sold out right now, so obviously you guys liked them and were interested in them, and I think that all of you that purchased them out there are going to absolutely freaking adore them like I do. They are stunning. You have so many gorgeous colors to choose from out of both of the ranges, and they are truly just a unique item here in the beauty industry, or at least the indie makeup market. But with that being said, if you are not already subscribed and you would like to be, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. And if you enjoyed the video and you want to see more tutorials like this, then go ahead and give me a big old thumbs up as well. And if you choose to do so, then I greatly appreciate you. But I hope that you are having an absolutely amazing and beautiful day wherever you are. And thank you so much for joining me here today. I hope to see you next time. Bye!